All right, guys. Hi, this is Taylor with RV Wholesalers. I'm here today with David.
Yeah.
We're standing out here with a Chaparral. This is a fifth wheel that we have here on our lot. So, right here we have our propane tank.
How exciting is that?
There's another one on the other side, so you
Okay.
have two of them on this unit. You do have a large pass-through storage here.
Yeah, there's a lot of space in there.
Yes, tons of storage under here in the underbelly. Your battery disconnect will be over there, and then I believe that is our auto leveling system up there.
Okay.
Yep.
Awesome. Yeah, awning, just one awning on this.
Yep.
I know some of them will have an awning coming off the slide. It does not.
Yeah.
Doesn't make it a bad thing. You're just going to have the party underneath this awning.
It's still a good size.
Yeah, it's a big old awning.
Yeah, so this one is a really cool unit. So this is the 389DEK. What's really cool about this is because you get the features of a toy hauler with the deck on the back without it being a toy hauler,
Okay.
which is really fantastic.
I don't think I've seen that.
It's really cool.
Is it new?
Yeah.
Is it fairly new?
Yeah.
I haven't seen that. You want to jump up there and I'll follow you in? Yeah, every deck that I've seen off the back has been on a toy hauler.
Yeah.
And I've often wondered, like, why don't we do this with a non-toy hauler?
Yeah, so it's been really cool that this is a new feature that they've started adding to these. A lot of people are really interested in them because they like the toy hauler party decks that they have, but they're also, they're like, I don't need a toy hauler though.
Right.
And for some people, it feels like wasted space when you have just that empty space.
Well, I've asked that before, like walking through toy haulers. I've asked, like, what can we use this for besides bringing in another vehicle?
Yeah.
And I've heard that people want an aviary. Somebody kept their birds back there, use it as a play area for the kids. But if you can get away, if you don't need a toy hauler, you can get away with not buying a toy hauler and finding a use for that, this is the way to go.
Yeah, absolutely.
And it looks great. This wall right here, this slide is fantastic. It's just aesthetically pleasing with the doors on the either side of the TV. You have the sound bar, the fireplace, your TV, and then on either side you have the storage. And again, my OCD makes it want to be even, and it is.
This one here's got a nice big pantry. You got some drawers in here. You do have a light.
Yeah. A nice bar here. I didn't even notice when I first came in. You got bar stools to go.
Yep.
So you have one person on either side.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is great. And I think I missed that that's where the sink was because it had the covers on it.
Yeah, so you have a nice good sized sink here. Pull these off. So you've got a pretty good sized sink under here. You've got like the nice faucet. You've got cabinets on all sides, but then you have a ton of storage space when you have these closed up too.
Yeah.
And these countertops are fabulous. They're so nice.
Let's say that. I mean, you can tell the way you're lifting that. That's heavy. They're
they're good
quality.
size. Yeah.
Yeah. Again, all kinds of storage outlets. You can put your coffee pot, your crock pot, whatever you put up there.
You do have full-sized appliances as well. So
Locked
you've
up
got
right now for travel.
Yep. So you've got a nice full-sized refrigerator. You've got a full-sized microwave. Here's a 3-burner cooktop, and then you do have a small oven.
It's great. Looking for more outlets. Here, you get more outlets on here. We look back to the living area. Well, first the dining area. TVs. your table is. Can that be taken off there? Is that one that can be taken off? Does it drop down?
It folds down.
Fold down. Okay, awesome. So you can fold that down and use those if you have your entertaining. Use these chairs as chairs just to watch TV.
You can use that space however you choose.
Yeah, love it. Again, I like the color of this
Yes, I really like the color schemes that they did in these because it's a nice neutral and there's a good contrast between the light wood and the darker interior.
Some Thomas Paine furniture. That's always a good thing.
Yeah, they're nice and plush, nice soft furniture. And then this is nice because you have the combination of a sofa and a theater seat. So you have additional sleeping space with the sofa.
Right.
This will have a bed. And then you also have your recliners. So you kind of get the best of both worlds with that.
Yeah, and that's where you would keep. That's where you're supposed to keep your remote control. You never will. It'll always be down in here. I'm telling you now, or down in here. You'll look here, and it won't be there. There'll just be some old wrappers.
Oh, so you can keep your snacks in there.
That's right.
Yeah,
that's right.
Your TV snacks.
Yeah, awesome. But it just feels comfortable in here. So let's get out here and take a look at what I haven't seen yet. Oh, this is great. Oh yeah, this is awesome.
Yeah, so
I
with
was just
this,
thinking it was just going to be this out back.
yeah, so they really designed this with the idea of, you know, people love these for the deck because they want to use it for entertaining. So they designed it with entertaining in mind.
Wow.
So you have your cabinets up above, you have a huge TV, you've got a sink, you've got a nice bar set up, you can always put a grill out here, or you could put a griddle on the countertop, either one that you choose. And then you also have a door on the opposite side, so the not camp side,
right?
Which is fantastic. So you have access to this space as well.
Yeah, that's
even
awesome.
when this is closed, when you're traveling, you can always reach in here and grab something if need be.
Oh, that's smart. That makes sense. And then you got the steps back here, so and with the little door, so you can oops, open it this way. There we go. You can jump up here anytime. You don't have to come inside. You can come right up through here. I just imagine watching college football.
Yeah.
On this.
Yeah, having
with all your buddies.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, this is great. A little bit of light up there. Is that an awning, or is it just?
It looks like it's just a light.
Just the light. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is fantastic. I didn't expect any of this back here. That's smart. There's an awning right there. It is an awning?
Is it on? Okay.
Oh, yeah, awning right there. Yeah, good eye. You got an awning, and yeah, I just want to hang out here. I do. I want to take this somewhere and hang out.
Yeah, it's fabulous, right? Especially for entertaining. And then you also have, you know, your campsite awning over there, so you have lots of space to be entertaining.
Yeah, that's fantastic. Because this is outside. You know.
Yeah.
This is an outside kitchen that normally folds open in a little door over here. You've got the full thing. Love it. That's awesome. Man, that's smart. I like the lights above the little island too. Those look nice. All right, so let's head up this way. Oh, it's dark. First of all, we've got a little bit of storage here. Just a little bit of room to throw some things you need to throw in there.
Little coat closet, purse closet.
Oh, a double vanity.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you're gonna have a nice full-size shower in there with a seat.
Yep. So there you go. A couple of you in here working things. We've got a couple of outlets. Plug whatever you need. Lots of storage underneath, above, and then like I said, a big old shower. It's a good sized shower and then more storage behind the door here. But this way, if somebody's taking a shower and there's a line forming, you have room for the second person to sit here and wait. The view's probably not going to be great, but or maybe it will be. And then
so this here is your master bed.
Master bedroom.
So this does have washer dryer hookups here in the closet. So washer would go on this side, dryer would go on that side. You do have a nice good sized closet here with a hanging rack as well as a shelf above. Nice big mirrors going across.
That's great. That makes it feel big. I don't know if you just saw I was looking at myself. Yeah. Only be like, this makes it, I wasn't.
It does, it makes it feel.
Who's Mr. Handsome over there? It makes it feel roomier.
Yeah, it does. Yeah. It does help to make the space feel much more open. With this, you do have a king-size bed. You've got windows on either side. So, again, you have lots of airflow if you decide you want to sleep with the windows open.
Yep. I like the cup holders on the side.
Yeah.
That's smart. Instead of just, I know my wife has her drink bottle next to her all night long.
Water bottle goes with me everywhere.
Yep. Yeah, no, this is great.
Yeah.
Plenty of storage there behind you. TV backer up above the whole thing.
Look at here, so you have a little bit of a hidden storage area too.
Sweet.
And then you do have a TV backer. You could put an articulated arm up there, and you can move it however you choose. Also, second AC. These are still ducted ACs though, so even if you were to get just the one AC, you're still going to have airflow throughout the unit. Okay,
that's good to know. That's good to know. Yeah, this is smart. So if you're like me and you've seen toy haulers before, I like that deck out back, but I really have no use for a toy hauler. Now you can get one without the toy hauler, and I think they've stepped it up with that outdoor kitchen out there. That's a brilliant idea, because they could have just used that space and extended a living room a little more and given you a couple more feet. But they really took advantage and put that kitchen out there. Really, this is I would call this a very an RV that's very made for entertaining. You know.
Absolutely, yeah. No, this is made for tailgating and weekend parties and things like that.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks for walking us through it.
Yeah, absolutely.